Space is endless, and it's an amazing opportunity to explore it. Will you join the journey?
Now we going to adventure to space. It is annoying.
You think it is safe, but you've been told about numerous problems in long courses.
Don't you worry about that. We use many technology for safe travels. However, we learned it since forever.
Let us go, friends. Learn new worlds.
Oh, that is not good. Be careful, or it is might crash.
Or signal from a lens.
It is look like. How cool.
This is new unknown place and new chapters. We should be first to research about this planet.
There is life on this planet. Everything is quite peaceful.
What is it?
How do we get out of here?
Just shoot!
It was a dangerous and exciting event, but we should have to carefully. And it has just start of our mission.
I know. It is clear that we still have a lot to learn. This mission has taught us courage.
But it is cool to research. I think this adventure was completed well.